Python GTK3 limit label width. I've got a set of labels in a flowbox. The problem is that I would like for these labels to be 96 px wide at most. I've set label.set_ellipsize true, but since the flowbox gives them as much room as they like, they don't get ellipsized, even though I've set their size request to 96 px wide. I've tried every function I could find that seemed even tangentially related on all the widgets involved, but nothing seems to work. The only workaround I did find was using set_minute_children_line, but that requires calculating the number of children from the flowbox width, which is dependent on the number of children per row, leading to a flowbox that gets really wide real quick. I'm probably missing something obvious, but I've been bashing my head on this problem for days now. I've made this test case that exhibits the problem when amount of columns isn't divisible by 2.
So here is a solution, still not the exact pixel width. You can use gtk.widget.set_align to force no horizontal expansion. Here is the part of the code. I hope I did not miss anything this time.
You do have another option. Use a custom GT container implementation that limits its children to exact pixel widths. According to Eric Perez Castellanos on irc.gimp.net/$GTK+, GNOME contacts as 1, here it is. It's in Vala, but it shouldn't be too hard to wrap your head around alongside some reading of the GTCrit and GT container, and GTKbin, semantics. Unfortunately, I do not know how to create new objects in Python, sorry. If you do use the approach in GNOME contacts, the custom container, which derives from GTKbin, a convenience for single-child GT containers, will hold just your GT label, and you add that to the flowbox items GTKVX. Hopefully that helps.